How to connect the door lock to app, Wi-Fi. You can download the Philips EasyKey app from Google Play or Apple App Store. Create an account by selecting Sign Up. Then select the country region and enter your mobile number or email, then select Sign Up. Create your password with a combination of upper and lowercase letters and numbers. A minimum of 8 characters and a maximum of 16 characters. Click Send Message to receive a 6-digit code to your mobile number or email. Enter your 6-digit code, then select Sign Up. From the main page, tap on Add Device or the plus button on the upper right, then select Wi-Fi. Make sure the lock battery is installed. Touch the keypad to wake up the door lock. Press the number sign, then enter the master PIN code and confirm by pressing the number sign. Press 5, then 1, and select Next on the app. On the app, select Start, then select Connect. Enter your master PIN code on the app, then select Next. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then enter Wi-Fi password and select Join. The door lock should be successfully connected to the app.